Good morning, children. I am dealing with 10th class chemistry, chapter 1. Chapter name is chemical reactions and equations. The first point is chemical equations. First point is chemical equations. For chemical equations, it should be balanced one. Equation should be balanced one. Balancing means making equalize on both the sides of the equation. Making equalize. Left hand side equations, and right hand side equation should be balanced. Left hand side, whatever number of atoms are there, right hand side also same number of atoms should be there. That is called balancing. The balancing means making equalize. Balancing means making equalize on both the sides of equation. That is called balancing on both the sides. That is left hand side and right hand side. That is called balancing. Balancing is what? Making equalize all the atoms on both the sides of the equation. That is called left hand side as well as right hand side. That is called balancing. Left hand side whatever number of atoms are there, right hand side also same number of atoms should be there. Left hand side 5 atoms are there, right hand side also 5 atoms should be there. That is called balancing. Balancing means equalize. So it is followed by an arrow. Left hand side gives rise to right hand side. This is called gives rise to. This is called gives rise to. Left hand side it should be followed by right hand side. Gives rise to. This arrow means what? Arrow means gives rise to. So it should be equalized. For example, example 1, Mg plus O2 gives rise to MgO. This is example of equation. This is chemical equation. Word equation. In words. Word equation is what children? In words. That is called word equation. Magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. Magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. That is called word equation. So equation should be balanced always. It should be balanced. Say second example. So this should be balanced now. Say, for example, always equation should be balanced. Then only it is correct one. Without balancing, it is not considered. Balancing is compulsory. So let us do the balancing now. Balancing means, as I already told you, that it is equalizing, making equalize on both the sides. And while balancing, don't disturb that down one number is there. This number should not be disturbed. This number 2, for example, if there is no number, think that 1. should not change. So let us start balancing. What is the rule, children? The rule is like this. Always do not change this down one. Down one at any cost should not change. Only left hand side you should, whatever is there on the line, that number should be changed. Whatever number is there. Say for example, here 1 is there. If there is no number, think that there is 1. If there is no sign, think that multiplication always. Always multiplication is important. If there is plus you have to add. Adding. No number means what? Multiplication. Let us start balancing. Balancing means what? Making equalize on both the sides. Say 2 here. Here, say for example mg1 here, mg1 here. So it is equalized now. It is equalized now. mg1 one atom, mg one atom. It is equalized now. Now you start with oxygen. Next element is oxygen. Oxygen how many are there? Here 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Oxygen 2 atoms are there left hand side. Right hand side how many? 1 into 1. Don't break this. Don't take that middle. Only left hand side here you have to take. Here. Don't take it between. Here 1 into 1. So here right hand side it is less now. So you have to increase here, not here down. I already told you below the line do not disturb. If there is any number, think that there is no number, which think that there is one always. So if you want to make 2 here, do not write 2 like this in between. Don't break that compound. You must write 2 here. You must write 2 MgO like this. 2 MgO. But while balancing we disturb this. We disturb magnesium at the same time. If you write any number here, it is applicable for this as well as this. Whereas down any number is there for that element only. Down number is applicable for that element only. Whereas side number for all the elements till next time comes. Till next time comes. So 2 mg. Here only 1 mg. Magnesium only 1 atom. So let us make 2 here. Don't write down anything else. 2 mg plus O2 gives rise to 2 MgO. Like this you have to do. Like this you have to do. So this is called balanced equation. After balancing, final checking is compulsory. Final checking is compulsory. 2 mg, 2 mg here. Balance. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 1, 2. Like that. So everything is balanced. Final checking is compulsory for all the equations. So even after getting answer also, you check that finally. If you do any mistake, that mistakes will come out. Like that. Then let us try second example. Second example I am taking now. In words you can write. That is called body equation. So second example. Zn plus H2SO4 gives rise to ZnSO4 plus H2. ZnSO4 plus H2 like this. Zn left hand side 1, right hand side 1. Zinc that is. 1 balance. H2 2 hydrogens. 1 into 2 2 hydrogens. 1 into 2 2 hydrogens. Here 1 into 2 2 hydrogens. That is balanced. Sulfur 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1. Sulfur also balanced. Oxygen 1 into 4 4. Here 1 into 4 4. Don't take that. Don't break. Try to break that. Here only number is there. If there is no number, think that always 1 is there. So here, if you want, you can check it finally also. Final checking is compulsory. Even after getting answer, final checking is compulsory. Zn1 here, Zn1 here. Hydrogen 1 into 2, 2. Here 1 into 2, 2. Sulfur 1 into 1, 1. Here 1 into 1, 1. Oxygen 1 into 4, 4. Oxygen 1 into 4, 4. Like that. Everything is balanced. So you must write what? There is no need to write any more steps. Already balanced you must mention. Already balanced. Like that. What is that? Say, let us try one difficult equation. Third example, example 3. Rules are same. For balancing rules, one cannot change. Rules are same. So let us try third one. In the examination, though you are doing answer, you are getting answer in many steps, 2-3 steps. Examiner will see always final step only, not the middle steps. First, second step, third step. They don't take. Say Fe plus H2O, Fe plus H2O gives rise to Fe plus H2O gives rise to Fe3O4 plus H2O. This is the given equation. Let us try that balancing now. This third example. చెప్పండి నేనేం చేయలేదు బై మిస్టేక్ రావచ్చిందా ఇప్పుడు చేసిన మేము ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజా సారీ బై మిస్టేక్ రావచ్చు చెక్ చేసుకుంటాను క్లాసులో So let us Let us continue. So let us do this. Fe how many here? 1. Fe how many here? 1. Here 1 into 1, 1. Here 1 into 3, 3. So left hand side 3 is to right. Don't try to write below. Left side only. On the line only. You must write compulsory. H2O gives rise to Fe3O4 plus H2. Then hydrogens. Hydrogens after iron is balanced now. Hydrogens. Hydrogens how many? 1 into 2, 2. Here how many? 1 into 2, 2. Hydrogen also balanced. Then oxygens. Oxygens how many? Oxygens how many? 1 here. Here how many? 4. So you must don't write down 4. You must write left hand side only. Left hand side. 4H2O like this. Now oxygen is balanced. Oxygen is balanced, but oxygen 4 into 1, 4. 1 into 2. Oxygen 1 into 4, 4. But it is affecting hydrogen. It is affecting hydrogen now. If you write number, I told you, it is affecting all. That's why final checking is important. If you do any mistake in final checking, that mistakes will come out. Again, you have to do that mistakes. So hydrogen how many now? Before here balance hydrogen to here to here. Now it is 8. 4 into 2, 8. But no sign means multiplication. That is important. 4 into 2, 8. Here how many? 1 into 2, 2. So you must write 4 here. Next step. Examiner wants only final answer. Stepwise manner if you want you can do. But if you have experience, straight away you can do answer. Just like it is nothing but simple mathematics. Trial and error method. Try with something. If it matches, it's okay. If it is not matching, try with something. If you know simple mathematics, multiplication, adding, that is nothing but balancing only. Now final thing you see. 3 into 1, 3 iron. 1 into 3, 3 hydrogens. 4 into 2, 8. Here 4 into 2, 8. Oxygen 4 into 1, 4. Here oxygen 1 into 4, 4. So everything is balanced. So third and difficult equations. Examination always you will get out of 5 2 difficult equations they will give. 2 normal equations they will give. Medium, that is difficult, medium, one easy will be there always. So based on that you prepare. Whatever equations are there in textbook that are giving, more than that also you can refer other books, then you can get it automatically. You can do, you can write. You can try whatever number you want, you can try. You can try daily 5 like that. So daily 5 you can do. So then through practice only it will come. Without practice you don't get. It's very difficult. Before proceeding to the other concept, I want to tell two small points. I want to tell. Maybe you can take it as example 4 and 5, whatever they mentioned in the textbook. Let us try that example 4. Let us try. But this third example is different. Or this fourth example is different. Because in all these three, we did not mention state and we did not mention conditions. Conditions also one should mention. That is very important, and we should at the same time we should mention our states also. Whether it is solid, whether it is liquid, whether it is gas like that. So these conditions, this fourth equation I am showing the conditions as well as states also. States means solid, liquid, gas. Let us try. Fourth one. CO. What it is? Whether it is gas or liquid or solid. G for gas, L for liquid, S for solid matter. H2. What it is? Gas. Cl methyl alcohol is there. So Cl3 OH. What it is? You must mention. Whether it is liquid. Generally alcohol means what? Alcohol means liquid only. Liquid means L. Gas means G. S means solid. Water, if there is water is involved somewhere, you must write aqueous. AQ for what? If water is involved by chance. Here there is no water for information. That's why it is called liquid. Here it is gas. Conditions you must show here. On the arrow or below the arrow. On the arrow or below the arrow. Let us see. Conditions. What conditions? Here pressure is important. Pressure, temperature, whatever it is, catalyst, whatever it is. 340 atmosphere. What is the normal pressure? Now normal pressure is 1. You can imagine how much it is. This is 340 atmosphere. You can mention if there is pressure, atmosphere, temperature, catalyst, any other thing above the arrow or below the arrow. Let us try one more equation like this. Let us try one more equation. Little bit familiar one, little bit difficult one. In general, we are using that is called photosynthesis. What is happening in our plants? Photosynthesis. Let us try. Textbook. This equation is a little bit lengthy one. I want to make it very simple way. is called photosynthesis. If you want, you can do that. In that, oxygen gas is evolved. Oxygen, that is the most important thing. Plants are taking carbon dioxide, water, and preparing their own food. That food only we are eating. That is the fact. This is the thing. And on the other hand, plant is giving oxygen to us. This is gas. You must write what? Gas. You must write G. Important. Here also it is gas. Here what is the water means liquid. Water how they will take? How they will take? From through the roots. Through the roots they will take. So for photosynthesis, 4 things are needed. What are those things? Carbon dioxide, water vapor, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll. Conditions as I already told you must write on the arrow or below the arrow. I made it very simple here. In textbook it is little bit difficult one and lengthy one. I made it easy because water molecule left hand side, right hand side they have written in textbook. That is more difficult for you. This is very easy one. See that 4 things are needed. Always photosynthesis needs 4 things. One is carbon dioxide, water vapor. Third one is sunlight. Fourth one is chlorophyll. You must mention that states in brackets. What states? Gas, liquid, like that. In textbook, by mistake, they have given here aqueous. You must correct it. Aqueous is not aqueous, it's gas. It is clear to you. And here also, carbohydrate means generally it is solid, considered as solid only. This is, we call it as glucose here. So this is nothing but photosynthesis. చెప్తున్నారు